Hi guys, welcome back to the channel with Toon and Lee, and today, because it's got bad weather outside, thunder and lightning, we're inside and Toon's going to do what is known as a man pack, a man face pack. What you got in there, missus?
White egg.
White duck egg.
And lemon.
And a slice of lime. That's all you need. Any egg, apart from rotten eggs. And then you just need a toilet roll, and that's it. So Toon's gonna sort my face out. If any of you guys like me suffer from oily skin and blocked pores, blackheads, that sort of thing, this stuff is the #1 thing. Isn't that right?
Yeah. Okay,
so in about 10 minutes time I'm going to be uber handsome. It's got its work cut out, hasn't it? It always reminds me of that film The Mummy.
You're not allowed to laugh anymore.
Okay. No talking either? Oh, I can't breathe. Claustrophobic.
We take it down. Oh. Quiet, quiet, quiet.
So what's actually happening is the egg white, as it dries, it contracts the tissue and pulls all the crap out of your pores. And then with the lime, it's obviously got vitamins in it, but it's an astringent as well, so it gets rid of all the oils and makes everything nice and tight. It only takes a few minutes, and then you can feel it starting to draw on your skin. It's quite nice. No laughing.
Fucking nice.
It's nice.
No talking, no laughing, no bloody blind.
No more talking.
Shut up!
When I was a kid at school, oh, I had so many spots. If I'd known about this, bloody hell, I'd have been doing this every night instead of playing on my ZX81 computer. The last time I had a mask on was about 5 years ago. It was a black leather one, and I had an orange ball strapped into my mouth. You keep going till it's about at least 2 tissues deep. You can go 3 tissues deep, like 3 layers. When you start looking like a human pavlova cake, you've probably got it thick enough. Of course, we're using organic limes and free-range duck eggs, so probably end up double handsome. What I should have done was shave my George Michael beard off, but it was a spur of the moment thing, so I'm going to have the top half of my face clean and the bottom half still dirty. Make sure you trust your wife, guys. You don't want lime juice in the eyeball. That is not nice.
Shut up. You feel tight?
Mm-hmm. Almost there now. Feels great. Nice and tight.
When tissue is super dry, you're gonna feel that like a mask. Fucking right? Mask, and you can feel super tight. And lemon gonna
get in your pores.
Yeah, like spiky. But tissue gonna thick themselves tight, and you can feel more your skin tight. And when you make sure all dry like a mask, you can take them out. Take from here, pull down. Near here, pull quite hard, and they're gonna pull all your spot up.
Pull your blackheads out by the roots.
Yeah. When tissue more dry, gonna be more sting, like lemon and egg just work together, make your skin tight.
That it?
Yeah.
So unfortunately, TOONS got to go to town in a minute to go and get some more duck food. So if we get a customer here, I've got to.
Don't laugh.
I just might not answer the door. See you in a bit. Right, it's been about an hour. I'm crusty. I'm a crusty mummy, and TOONS back now. So expect a massive improvement. I can't be any more handsome, obviously, but oh, that's tighter than a. Well, I can't say.
กลับมาแล้วนะคะ ไปชั่วโมงกว่า อันนี้ก็แห้งเต็มที่แล้วค่ะเนี่ย จะลอกแล้วนะคะ
Oh, it's like masking tape coming off. Ooh.
นี่ค่ะหายไปหมดแล้วค่ะ ก็จะอยู่แบบนี้นะคะ หายไปหมดเลยค่ะ หัวสิวดำๆนะคะอยู่นี่ค่ะ
That's it, all done. It feels amazing, and I feel like when TOONS touches my skin, it feels really, really different. It is a Benjamin Button mask, that's for sure. I've probably wound my facial clock back about 20 years. Oh, that reminds me, we've not done our Benjamin Button juice yet. That is in the pipeline, guys. We will do that. Yeah, if you want our organic recipe, you need to download our ebook, $39.99, and it's got the full recipe for this face mask. So, thanks for watching. Huh?
You shit nose on there.
Shit nose.
Spot look a lot on there.
Yeah.
Not easy.
See, just because we're farmers, there's no excuse not to look good, guys. So get on your man mask. Ta-da for now.